Hello, this is the second part of my tutorial series how to create a TCD editor for story. And oh, I forgot the recall value 2 here. So edit. Okay. Now we create the loading procedure, so go on data, then load, double click on it, and a new method will be created in the form1 class, and we need a new open file dialog. So open file dialog OFD equals new open file dialog. Now if OFD dot show dialog equal dialog results dot OK. So this means if the user clicks on OK in the dialog, then this in here will happen. So then the loading procedure will be started, and the loading procedure gets the value of the open file, which is on stream. Now we have to add the loading procedure. So private void load, and it's in stream. We have to add library using system.io in, so now stream s, so it's stream s, and we need a new binary reader, so binary reader br equals new binary reader, and this one gets the stream s. Now let's take a closer look with an hex editor into the TPET TCD. I use hex editor mx, and let's take a look at it. The first 4 bytes are the count of pets in here, so we need to load this uint32, and this will show us how many pets are in this particular file. This is very easy. This L must be small, so we only have to say br dot read uint16. First we have to check if it's really on uint16. Yeah, it's uint16. You can see it here, uint16. So br.read uint16, and this will get into a new value, uint16 count equals read uint16. I'll count with a T, not a D. Now we have to create a for loop for int e equals null I smaller than count I plus plus. This means you create a new variable I, and it will add 1 to I every time the for loop goes around, until I, as far as I is smaller than count. If I is bigger or equals count, then the for loop will stop. Now you have to read in all of the different values, and we need a new list a list of the class pet, which we create earlier. We call it L equals new list pet. Okay. Now for each value in here, you have to add a new item into the list. So L.add, and we add a new pet. Now you have to add at this list place I, so I is the first time it's 0, then 1, 2, and this will go up to the count of the pets in the file. And now you have to add everything into this particular list place. So first is L.I equals br.read oh, we forgot the public, so we have to add all public there. If you don't do that, we cannot enter values. Okay, now it should work. .id. Okay, now it works. And br.read uint16, because it's a word, uint16. Then L.I .monID, it's also a uint16, so we have to read a uint16. Then L.I be recall kind 1 equals br.read boolean, because it's a boolean. Same for recall kind 2, it's also a boolean. No. Okay, let's just copy this one. Then recall value 1 equals br.read uint16. Same for recall value 2. And also condition type equals br.read boolean. Also we have to add condition value, which is a double word, so uint32, read uint32, and last but not least icon, which is uint16. this should load every value out of the TCD file. And now let's check if it works. So let's start. Oh, we have an error. The OK was written wrong. It has to be both large letters. So load. Now the open file dialogs show up. So now we take the TCD and click on open. Now we are at success, and now we can take a look at the list. So the count is 63, so 63 parts should be in the list of pets called L. '63 items in there, and it looks like values which could be true, so everything worked fine. Okay, this was the second part of my tutorial. Third part will be about how to let the part of the list show up in the list box, and when you click on one item in the list box, it will show up in here and you can edit it. See you, bye.